Welcome to Patronum, the Google Workspace Manager. So let's start by creating a new automation policy within the policy section of Patronum. We can give our policy a name and a description so that others know who and what this policy is doing. We can define who this policy will be applied to through the conditions and filters sections. We can target this policy to be applied to all users, an organizational unit, a Google group, or we can exclude an OU or Google group. For this demo, we're going to target all our Google Workspace user accounts. Next, we need to decide which users we're interested in by filtering the users by attribute. We can filter based on any Google Workspace directory attribute. Today we're going to filter on the job title attribute, as we want to give this policy to all our managers. To verify we have the correct filter configured, we can perform a real-time query of the Google directory, and check that the users returned are those we're expecting to see. Once we're happy with our filter, we can proceed and start to configure the contact section. We're going to share a contact label from one of our Google Workspace users' contacts with all the company managers. First, we need to select the user, and then the labels we want to share. We can then decide which permissions we want our users to have to the label. We can give them read-only or allow them to update and add contacts to the label. We can also change this permission at a later date if required. We can then save and activate the policy for it to run. After the policy has successfully run, we can check the status of our contact sync via the Contacts menu. Here under the Contact Sharing tab, we can see the status of our shared labels. The contact sync process runs every 6 to 8 hours. This will copy all the contacts from one user's label to all the users listed within this policy. And that's it, Google Contact Sharing made easy with Patronum, your Google Workspace Manager. And don't forget to follow Patronum on Twitter, Facebook or LinkedIn.